Hello friends, welcome to my channel What's and How. In this tutorial today I am going to show you how you can record your voice using a voice recorder in Windows 10. If you are using Windows 10, your computer comes with a free recording application called as voice recorder. If you are still using Windows 8.1, so you can use sound recorder, which is extremely similar to the voice recorder but not quite as feature rich in Windows 10. So if you are looking for a good quality and a good voice recorder, you can use or a third party application like Audacity or Audio Cable. So in this video I'll tell you how you can record your voice using inbuilt application called as voice recorder. Also will tell you how you can use Audacity to record your voice in Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 11. So let's get it started. So click on start, type voice. It will show you voice recorder app open. If you don't have a voice recorder, then you can go to the store, Windows store, and you can record your voice. So I already have some recording here, so let me delete some of this. So here I have open voice recorder app. So click on record. Hello friends, in this video today I am going to show you how you can record your voice using voice recorder. If you have done, then you can directly click on stop. If you want to pause, then you can use pause button. Let me show you again. Click on record. You can use like control R as well. So click on record. Hello friends, welcome to my channel What's and Now. In this tutorial today I am going to show you how you can record your voice using voice recorder in Windows 10. So here is the pause button. If you want to again start, then you can start. So friend, this is the inbuilt application in Windows 10. So you can use pause application as well. So here one another option here we have one option marker. So if you want to mark something, you can mark in the audio. So I have done, then I will click on stop recording. So here if you want to rename your recording, you can click use this file as rename recording 1 or voice recorder and click on rename. So file name is has been changed to voice recorder. If you want to trim your voice, then you can use a simple tool like yes here. If you want to trim from starting yes here, you can choose, and from here you can choose, and then you can click as save. If you want to save a original copy, then you can update original. If you want to save a copy, then you can use this. So I am updating original. So click on save. Let me play this recording how it's work. Let me change my microphone to speaker. You have to change to listen this. Hello friends, in this video today I am going to show you how you can record your voice using voice recorder. So here you could see a list of recording here. So if you want to know the file location, then you can just right click and in this PC you can see the path here, see username, and in the document you will get a sound recording application. You can get it from here. So hope this will help you to record your voice in using Windows 10. So in the next step, I am going to use Audacity. Open Audacity website, open Audacity teams.org website, and below you could see icon like uh, download Audacity. Here it's available for Mac OS as well as Linux. So this is the latest version. I am using 3.1.3. So you can install and download. Click on download. After downloading and installing finish, just click start and find out the Audacity application here. Audacity is a very powerful audio recording application. It has many powerful option to modify, cut or add your voice It's a free and open source application you can use as you want. So here, when you will open Audacity, you'll get an interface like this. So here you can see, first of all, we have to configure the driver here. Here you can see MEM, Windows Direct Sound, and Windows was API. So the latest Windows driver is Windows was API. So I will select this. So here you can see the second option is microphone. So I am using currently, my microphone is this. If you are using your laptop microphone, then you have to select your speaker headphone. Currently I am using my microphone Plantronics 32, though I select this. So here you will get option which kind of voice you want to record, stereo or mono. So I'm going to select as mono. So here another option we could see here, we'll get the two option, output device option, I mean speaker. So I'll select a speaker or headphone here to show you how it's playing. So here you can see at the bottom left corner you can see project rate. So inside the project rate you can see a lot of option is available, but default option is 48,000. So I'm going to change it to 88,200. If you are using for more project ratio will make a heavy file, so I'm going to use, if you want you can use the 48,000 as well. I'm going to use in this video 88,200. Let's see what's happened. So here I have configured all those things. Let's start the recording. Here, as all the application has red button for the recording, so Audacity has, click on record application. Hello friends, welcome to my channel What's and How. In this tutorial today I'm going to show you how you can use Audacity to use your voice recording. When you're done, you can click on stop, and then if you want to play. Hello friends, welcome to my channel What's and How. In this tutorial today I'm going to show you how you can use Audacity to use your voice recording. So here I am done with the recording. If you want to check your microphone level, you can click here. It will show you. See, here you can see I am not going to the more bottom, like hello. So if it is going to red, that means you can miss something. So whenever you are placing your microphone, you have to make sure that you are till the green line only. If you are crossing the red line, that means your voice is going to miss something. If you want to check, so here I am done with the recording, and here you can see have a lot of option. I mean, I want to cut this. So here you could see one selection tool. You can select this, yes, like this, and you can just delete button. And in the starting you could see here I have extra option which is not looking good. Then select this option and you will get this option, and click here or drag to the bottom, and then you can just press delete button. So let me play once again. Hello friends, welcome to my channel What's and How. In this tutorial today I'm going to show you how you can use Audacity to use your voice recording. See, I have recorded a voice here. You could see it goes in the sound section. It goes like red. So make sure that you have to fix each and everything properly. If you want to set your microphone and audio volume, you can set from here as well. Here you can see a lens option. You can make a correction. Here you will get one option, envelope. So in this video I tell you. So here I can tell you one more thing. I have selection option and I want to increase a voice between. Here you can see a low graph. So you can use click like effect, and then you can amplify the audio and click. Okay, so you can see here I have amplify the audio, and it's look like here as well. So you can set the effect also. So here you can see multiple option. You can see noise cancellation, fade in, fade out, echo removal, invert. So you can see a lot of option in Audacity. It's a very powerful application to use your voice if you are using Windows 8, 10 or 11. So here you can see one more option. Here is the track. If you want to add one new track, stereo or mono track, you can add. So let me add one mono track. Suppose why I am telling you this mono track. If you have some music file, let me add one music file here. Just drag and drop a music file here. So if you want to add a music file, suppose if you want to add or some tracks below, so you can click on add and click a mono. So if you want to play some music on the background, you can place here to record your voice over the background music. So if you think you have done with the recording, click on file, click on export and click export as mp3. So wherever you want, you can save your file, uh, mp3 file. So let me save it here. So click on save and click on OK. And another option, you can save this file, but if you think you need to, so if you think you have done with the recording and all the editing you have done, click on file, click on export, click as mp3. This is the mp3 file. Click the location where you want. So recorded voice, click OK, and it's asking for name. And here also you can change the ratio, sample ratio. So here I'm leave it as, let's let me show you by playing. Let me play the recorded audio. Hello friends, welcome to my channel What's and How. In this tutorial today I'm going to show you how you can use Audacity to use your voice recording. This is the way how you can use Audacity to record your voice effectively. Hope you like my video. If you think that this is useful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share and like my video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.